Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So, the perimeter is essentially distance around the outside of a shape where you just can add all the sides, all the side length. As you can see here, distance around the outside of a shape. So, this is the perimeter where my mouse is moving. So, we can do this two ways, or we can use this formula. Perimeter equals 2 times 2 times the length of the side plus 2 times the width. So 2 times 13 and 2 times 5. Or we can do this easier way, which is just perimeter equals 13 plus 13 plus 5 plus 5. I do want to add the order which you add them by doesn't matter because you will always get the same outcome. Okay, so let's start adding them. So 13 plus 13 equals 26, plus 5 is 31, plus 5 again is 36. So our perimeter will be 36. Now I'm going to show you how to use this formula here. So as we know, we have two lengths and two widths. These are the lengths, these are the widths. So we can do like this. Perimeter equals 2 times 13 plus 2 times 5, which again will equal 36. Because if you do 2 times 13, you'll get 26, and 2 times 5 equals 10. 26 plus 5 is 36. So this was the first example. I'm gonna show you another example with a few symbols in it so I can teach you that also right away. So if you come across it, you don't get confused. So I will draw the second shape and I'll be right back. Okay, now I do another rectangle, but as you guys can see, we only have two side lengths. But as we know, the opposite side of one side has the same length. So if this side is 32, then this side will be 32 feet also. The same goes for this one. 9 feet here. The opposite side will be the same length. 9 feet. I also included some tick marks, as you can see right here. This one and this one. They are both one tick mark, like this. And if you see them on different sides and they match up, that means that the side length is the same. So this one equals 32 feet for this rectangle. I also put one at the 9 feet. Here you can see two tick marks, like this. And if you look over here, there are also two tick marks. So this one will be 9 feet for this rectangle. Also, I put 4 symbols at the corners of the rectangle, and they look like this. This means all the corners have a right angle, equals right angle, which means 90 degrees. So I put these symbols here so you don't get confused when you're coming across of them all of a sudden, and you can put them to good use if you don't cut sides, but you do have the tick marks. So okay, now let's go on with the perimeter of the rectangle, and we're just going to do the two methods again. So first of all, we're just going to add them up. 32 plus 32 plus 9 plus 9. So 32 plus 32 equals 64 plus 9 plus 9. So 64 plus 18 equals 82. So our perimeter is 82. Now we're going to use the formula. So P perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So perimeter equals 2 times 32 plus 2 times 9. And this will also equal 82 feet. So this will be our answer of the second example rectangle. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys understand how to find the perimeter now. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and you can always leave a comment. I will see you guys in the next video.